Welcome back to GC Wealth Solution. Today, we're tackling a common financial challenge that many of us face: high-interest debt. Whether it's credit card debt, personal loans, or any other type of borrowing, high-interest debt can feel like a heavy burden. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to share some powerful strategies to help you pay down that debt and take control of your financial future. Understanding high-interest debt. First things first. Let's make sure we're all on the same page about what high-interest debt actually is. Essentially, it's any debt that comes with a high annual percentage rate, a PR, typically anything above 15% or so. This could include credit card debt, payday loans, or even certain types of personal loans. The problem with high-interest debt is that it can quickly spiral out of control if left unchecked, thanks to those sky-high interest rates. The snowball method. Now that we're clear on what high-interest debt is, let's dive into some strategies for paying it down. One popular method is known as the snowball method. Here's how it works. You start by making a list of all your debts, from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rate. Then, you focus all your extra money on paying off the smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on everything else. Once that smallest debt is paid off, you roll the amount you were paying on it into paying off the next smallest debt. It's called the snowball method because, like a snowball rolling downhill, your payments gain momentum over time, helping you tackle larger debts more quickly. The avalanche method. Another effective strategy for paying down high-interest debt is called the avalanche method. Unlike the snowball method, which focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, the avalanche method prioritizes debts with the highest interest rates. So, you make a list of all your debts, this time ordering them from highest interest rate to lowest. Then, you throw as much money as you can at the debt with the highest interest rate, while continuing to make minimum payments on the others. Once that debt is paid off, you move on to the one with the next highest interest rate, so on. Mathematically speaking, the avalanche method tends to save you more money in interest over time compared to the snowball method, but the best method for you ultimately depends on your individual situation and psychology. Debt consolidation. If you're feeling overwhelmed by multiple high-interest debts, you might want to consider debt consolidation. This involves taking out a new loan at a lower interest rate to pay off your existing debts. By consolidating your debts into a single loan, you can simplify your payments and potentially save money on interest. Just be sure to shop around for the best possible interest rate and read the fine print carefully to avoid any hidden fees or pitfalls. Negotiating with creditors. Don't be afraid to reach out to your creditors and try to negotiate better terms. This could mean asking for a lower interest rate, a temporary reduction in your monthly payment, or even a settlement offer if you're unable to pay the full amount. Many creditors are willing to work with you, especially if it means they'll eventually get their money back. Just be honest and upfront about your situation, and be prepared to make your case for why they should offer you a better deal. Cutting expenses and increasing income. Of course, one of the most effective ways to pay down high-interest debt is to free up more money to put towards your payments. This could mean cutting back on unnecessary expenses, like dining out or subscription services, or finding ways to increase your income through side hustles or freelance work. Every little bit helps when it comes to paying down debt, so get creative and think outside the box. Celebrating milestones. Paying down high-interest debt can be a long and challenging journey, so don't forget to celebrate your milestones along the way. Whether it's paying off a particular debt or reaching a certain savings goal, take the time to acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for your hard work. This will help keep you motivated and focused on your ultimate goal of financial freedom. Conclusion. In conclusion, tackling high-interest debt requires a combination of strategy, discipline, and persevering. Whether you choose the snowball method, the avalanche method, or some combination of the two, the important thing is to take action and start making progress towards a debt-free future. By consolidating your debts, negotiating with creditors, cutting expenses, and increasing your income, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter financial future for yourself and your family. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to GC Wealth Solution for more tips and strategies on achieving financial success.